In today's video, I will explain what is digital marketing and how you can use it to build your brand awareness, promote and sell products or services. Digital marketing is marketing, promoting and selling products or services that a company, a business, an organization, or a person does, and they do it in the form of an electronic device and or with the aid of the internet. It is having something digitally and not tangible like a billboard, newspaper or TV, etc. Some of the places where digital marketing can be applied are 1. Search engine, Google, Bing, Yahoo, etc. 2. Website. 3. Social media, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, etc. 4. Mobile applications. Create app, run advertising on mobile apps. 5. Email. Can send personalized email to subscribers. The usefulness of digital marketing. 1. It can be a cost-effective alternative to traditional marketing methods. For example, with TV ads, you have to pay a program and then a time spot. Time spot could be very competitive and costly. Digital marketing campaign, you can choose between cost per click, CPC, and cost per impressions, which can be more cost effective than the traditional methods. 2. It allows you to reach a global audience quite easily and at a very low cost. You can set up a campaign on any social media channel or search engine and get back data almost instantly. 3. It provides different ways to help you measure your advertising campaign. 4. It helps you to build brand awareness and reputation of your business. 5. It provides a channel for you to be interactive with your audience. The areas of digital marketing. 1. Search engine optimization. This involves adding relevant keywords or phrases to your online content to enable users to find what they are searching for and therefore drive free organic traffic to your website. The higher you are on the search engine, the more traffic you will get, more visibility, more leads, and sales. 2. Social media marketing. This is a form of marketing that involves creating content on different social media platforms to drive traffic to your website, increase user engagement, build brand awareness, and to achieve other marketing goals. Involves sharing content like content with images, videos. 3. Content marketing. This involves creating and sharing online materials. These include blogs, websites, videos, YouTube, case studies, ebook. 4. Search engine marketing. This involves creating ad campaigns on search engines such as Google, Bing, etc. to get on top of the first page of the search engine to drive traffic to your website, get more visibility, clicks, leads, and sales. 5. Native advertising. This involves creating and placing ads in publications that matches the form, feel, and function of the content of the publication in which it appears in. 6. Email marketing. This involves creating and sending personalized emails to your subscribers and promoting and selling products or services to them. Give this video a like, share, subscribe, and check the link in the description.